I don't tell you now, they don't pay this man money.
Today we'll go stop you. Now, before we continue, MC Abbey, a comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yo.
In fact, the prof himself, he there inside studio. But before we go ahead with MC Abbey discussion, Ingo give us, we are going to go. Are you done?
Hello?
You don't tell them good.
Na my show, yes, ticket. VIP na 20K. Yes, 20K VIP.
Okay.
Regular na 5K.
Okay.
You want buy? Aria.com, www.ariatickets.com. Please come on. Okay, at the fast. Thank you. Thank you. Una dey fight? House of? Oh, now which kind of job na dey do for them? Una dey blow na sef? Is that the job?
Yes.
Bye bye.
Okay, before we continue, we are going MC Abbey show
Yes,
now
so-
Saturday,
okay.
Let's go.
27th of June 2015 for Muson Centre.
Ajib Hall.
Ajib Hall.
Just enter Muson anyhow.
Just enter.
You go see where everybody they go. Now where everybody they go, now you go.
Exactly.
But before we continue, we go do worship song. MC Abbey will lead us in worship. Now, Katim, easy beat, please let us flow in the spirit. Lead us, man of God.
I have consequence in you, my sister. I have consequence in you. You serve my brother.
I have consequence in you.
Every night
And every day, I have consequence in you.
Hey, my fatherly. No be you I carry come blessing, but now you I go carry go my blessing. Jesus have told me so. Child, from away. No be you I carry come, but now you I carry go. My blessing, you mama. Since 5 years ago.
From away.
Give my friends away.
Give my friends away.
So you, Lord, can use me.
I give my friends away.
Ransome, I do not do. Busy.
I give my friends away. Easy beat. Obolo, Twale. I give my friends away.
Let it go, just let it go. All the bad
Call your
ones,
friends'
loose them away.
name. I give my friends away.
So you, Lord,
to use me.
Accept them as my burnt offering to
take them.
Give my friends away.
Take them as my butter for rain.
Leave my friends away. Oh yeah.
Can use me, Lord.
We give our friends away.
Zim, I know you was a bad friend. Shagun, so you're bad ass.
I give our friends
Go
away.
away. So the Lord
Can use me.
worship it right now. Exhaust. Exhaust. Nullify. Nullify. Okay, sacrifice. It's worldly. Sacrifice. Take it. Take it. Please.
He's worthy of the praise.
Hey,
You exhaust you.
you are
We
here.
exhaust you.
You are here.
We are here.
You just came.
You just came now.
You are here. I can see.
It's 5 minutes after 8. You just came now. Make we
You are
watch
wearing
one
white.
video now. You are wearing white. We can see you now.
You wear no slippers today.
You wear those. You don't wear slippers today. We are seeing you.
I
So
smell your perfume.
you are
It's
here.
the house of
Exhaust
perfume.
yourself.
Oh.
You know yourself.
You know yourself.
You came here with Louis Vuitton. Go slap everything I did.
Now, MC Abbey, tell us about I Laff.
I laugh with MC Abbey actually is not pidgin English, Abi.
Now, pigeon, anyone.
Not different. I laugh.
If not normal English or Professor English,
Yeah.
everyone just
Calapoetic.
the
Okay.
Vanguard,
Hey,
the
I don't
neckios,
forget
neckios.
that.
the neckios of
Nekios of the postcoform. Are you still here? It's a dickios pococo. Are you with me?
Upside down.
You don't need to be with me because I'm not with myself. Well, I laugh with MC Abbey actually now.
Nah, version of iPhone.
You know, when you have different items, you know, the one baby when they ask, they say she the form says she don't get many gadgets of those people, you know, the iPhone, iTunes, iPad, and all those things. I said, that's fine. He said, oh, that's small. Even my area is branded with all those things, you know. I said, where do you stay? I stay in Isolo. I told
That means Solo,
I say, even myself, I stay in Ikeja. Sometimes I go to Ibadan. And even right now, I tire. You know, but practically, I laugh. It's an unconventional kind of comedy show. It's not a regular. And I want to do something different. I'm personally tired of the norm. The way. Yeah, normal. It's good. We enjoy it, and we keep doing that. But I want to do something different. So I'm bringing in like a comedy talk show, right? Where we discuss funny pictures, funny skits, funny quotes, you know. And I have my panels are always funny people, not necessarily comedians, but inclusive, right? People that have good sense of humor, they are spontaneous, you know, very hilarious and all that. Those are my guests, right?
When they speak this English, me don't confuse.
Exactly, because when I talk something serious, I speak good English. Because this market must sell.
Imagine to say we get Shagari the same day to sell your market.
Yeah, no, exactly. You know, so the market, we say, that's the idea. But, so they have other side attractions like stand-up comedy, music, some performance. Yeah, exactly. You know, that's now
those
stand-up
ones
comedy
not side attraction, not be the main thing.
You know, it reminds me of those Ojibo people when you go bar, you go sit down, then you come like a performance.
Oscar,
my brother.
No, forget it. Forget it.
Bring them down to us.
Forget it. Let it go.
The thing will be so
sweet. So that's the pattern actually, you know. So we have we have 3 segments of the I Laugh talk show, right? On the first segment we have the likes of OK Bakassi, Yo, Chigol, and Sound Sultan, right? On the second segment we have the likes of this animal here.
Oh, Ingorede.
Oscar. We have the likes of Nedu. We have the likes of Benga, Deinka. We have the likes of Godons and Princess.
So, Obante, you go for seminar or conference. The first panelist.
Oh, Oscar.
Second panelist.
So, like, it's gonna be running like that, exactly. Then the last set, bad guys set, you know, with likes of Bovi, Goose Baba, Helen Paul, and Bucci. I call it bad guys, because they're not normal, you know. So they flow like that, you know, comedy, talk show, music, comedy.
So which means from the beginning of the show to the end of the show, I don't enjoy. You know, laugh.
Food, there's small things.
Small
jobs go like MC animals.
Yes, we have.
So accompany the mouth.
Oscar, we have finger food, we have neck
tofu,
we have tofu, we have eye food and white food and anything food. Never food. We call it pompo in those days. Pompo. The one that is big is called pompo. The one that is inside we call it nivel.
Okay.
Yeah, we have all kinds of food.
Maybe you foresee this kind of person.
I don't know.
Then they say when they go break, when they come back.
Yeah, when they go break, when they come back.
I become humbled. So when we come again, I'm coming back.